Welcome to City Grill. My name's Rob Bohr. In this episode, I'm going to do a quick video on Hunan shrimp. And I'm going to cook this on the grill in a wok outside. And I've taken a lot of steps already. I've already peeled and deveined some shrimp. Fresh shrimp from the shrimp guy here in Columbia, South Carolina. And what I need to do is put about, I'm doubling up my batch here. So I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch on the shrimp here. And just mix that up. And what I can do then is put this in the fridge and let it stay cool until I get the grill ready and all my other sauces ready. But for now, I'll just put the shrimp in just like that. So I have the chicken stock, and I'm gonna add in some soy sauce into there, as well as some chili sauce. If you have black bean sauce, that's excellent to put in here as well. Unfortunately, I don't. And I'll just mix this up. There's a little cornstarch already in there. And that's my sauce. That'll make an excellent sauce. It's gonna thicken up when we put that in. I already have my vegetables. I've got all kinds of different vegetables inside of here. Broccoli, peppers and onions, and squash as well. And I've cut them into thin strips. So I'm all pretty well prepared to go. So all I have to do is get out to the grill. Right on the grill. And I got my wok out here. I'm gonna put some sesame oil in here. You can use canola oil. I like the sesame oil better. It gives a good flavor. And that's nice and hot. I'm just gonna mix that around in my wok here a little bit. Spin that around. Oh yes, coat it really good. It's gonna be plenty hot. I'm gonna go ahead and put my shrimp in. See that fry up? That'll be real nice. I'm not gonna cook the shrimp completely done, because I'm going to add it back in once I get the vegetables ready. So I'm just kind of pre-cooking the shrimp for right now. And once it cooks a little bit more here, I'll go ahead. Oops, looks like I missed one out of the pan here. Go ahead and put them in there. Let that cook up just a little bit more. And once that's ready, I'll pull the shrimp out. Totally done, but really close. You see they're starting to turn pink, they're curling over. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my grill and just put them back in that pot I had. That'll be fine for now, because we'll be heating them back up. Just throw them back in here, save the container. Now I'll put just a little more oil in here, not a lot. And then I'm going to take my ginger. I grated this ginger up this morning. I'm just going to put it in there, and that'll make an excellent flavor. Heating that up a bit. Watch for the slice. Wow, that smells great. So with that in there, I'm going to go ahead and put my vegetables in. I can start with the onions. Get them started a little bit first. That's fine. And if some of them don't all go in, that's fine too. I like my vegetables a bit crispy. I'm going to go ahead and put them all in. What the heck. I have mushrooms in here as well. Oh, those will taste great. Try not to cook them too long, but enough to definitely get hot. But I like to try to keep them tender and crisp at the same time. Now my broccoli will be a great indicator when that gets to be a real bright green. Then I know it's ready. All right, the vegetables look great. They're not super tender. They've got some crispness to them, which I really like. One great thing about vegetables, it doesn't matter. Even if they're raw, it would still taste good. So I'm going to add my shrimp back into the mix here. My vegetables and shrimp. Just to heat it back up some more. This is a big batch. Again, I doubled this up. You don't have to do that. But I'm feeding 5 people, so I'm making an awful lot. I'll serve this on rice. It'll taste great. Our last step then is to take our mixture of chicken sauce, chicken broth. Go ahead and pour that in, and just like so. And this will thicken up. The heat's on high under here, and it'll start thickening up and make it nice, almost like a gravy. And we'll serve this over the rice. You can use brown rice, white rice, whatever you choose, or no rice at all, right? Let that thicken up here in just a few minutes. All right, this is looking great. You can see the sauce is coming to a boil. It's really starting to thicken up. That cornstarch will do that. All the vegetables, the shrimp are now cooked. Oh, this is gonna be great. I'm gonna put this over rice. You can get the recipe at citygrilling.com, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Enjoy these recipes and all the other ones I put out on the site. See you next time.